So we're just doing a live walking tour of the Marina Walk in Dubai Marina, and you can see here that it's absolutely mesmerizing, just experiencing the Marina Walk during the night time. It looks entirely different. So this is actually a 7 kilometers long walkway, which you can basically take a long stroll. You can basically cycle along the pathway. You can jog in the night, and you can just enjoy the cool breeze. As you can see here, we just have a yacht that's just passing by, and in the backdrop you can actually see the mosque, which is kind of standing out among all of the skyscrapers. And there's a whole bunch of restaurants here. On the left is Zatar and Zwait, which is an Arabic restaurant. It's pretty famous for its Arabic cuisine. So we're just moving towards the Marina Mall. So in about 1 kilometer will actually be around the mall entrance, but you can see here it's absolutely fascinating as far as the eyes can see. You just see the lights from all of the structures over here, and it just makes the entire view extremely scenic. So you can see just a bunch of tourists, enjoying with taking photographs, etc. And here we see a docking yard for all the yachts to kind of rest. And there are at least 4 to 5 of them, in the entire stretch of the Marina Walk. And now we're in a slightly busier patch. Over here on the left is the Marina Mall. So you can see here we're just outside of the mall entrance, and it basically has a lot of places and outlets for shopping. As you can see, there's a lot of crowd over here, and just outside of the mall there is a lot of small cafes and restaurants on both of the sides. So as you can see here, and if you can see the building, the cylindrical shaped with the purple lights on the top, that's Pier 7 Restaurants. It's one of the very popular restaurants over here. So we're just back on the walkway on Marina, and we're now going to go on the opposite side. So as you can see here, it's extremely peaceful to take a walk here in the night. There's not a lot of crowd over here. It's only around 8:30 p.m. so it's still very much late evening, and the area just remains vibrant, I think, until 10-ish, 11. In this stretch of the Marina Walk, you will see a lot of places with shisha, and these are the most busiest outlets, I believe, because there is a lot of people just enjoying a smoke in the night, with shisha. So and I think this patch also includes a lot of restaurants as well, and that includes Nando's. If you are a yacht lover and you would love to take a yacht ride, then again this is the best place to do it. If you can just look it up on Google, this place does offer private yacht rides as well as shared yacht rides, and it depends on the duration and the size of the yacht. And you can see here it's very much active even this time during the night. You can see a small one that's just going about, and there is one called Exclusive Yachts, which is one of the big names here in private yacht rides. So you can just make an inquiry and find out more about it. But this is definitely one of the best features of the marina. Just enjoying this view in the night with extremely vibrant and beautiful colors. And you're now looking at one of the very famous architecture marvels called the Cayenne Towers. And on this side here, we also have artists actually doing graffiti this time around on these relatively large steps, as you can see. And yeah, the colors, they definitely make it look extremely beautiful. So there we have it, guys. That's our entire tour of the Marina Walk in the nighttime, and I hope you enjoy it. We're just heading back home, and it's definitely a must-visit place in the night and amongst all the lights. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.